Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. First video for the new year of 2022. So stay tuned for this new recipe for the channel, the Gevalia K-Cups, the caramel macchiato two-step process for some good coffee for your Keurig. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a new recipe for the channel. We're going to do the Gevalia caramel macchiato. I saw this on Amazon. A lot of people say it was good coffee. I should review it, so this is what I'm doing today. As you can see from the packaging, it's a two-step process. You have your K-cup on the left, and then you also have the Fothery for the powdered milk, I guess, on the right. So according to the box, step 1, it says pour the Fothery into the coffee cup and then insert your K-cup into the Keurig and then brew it on 8 ounces. So let's go ahead and do this process. Okay, so we did put the Froth packet into the Keurig. As you can see, right there, made from real milk. So if you are kind of lactose, you may want to read the packaging just to make sure. It's artificially flavored, the Frothy caramel macchiato froth packet. Nothing on the back, just a lot number just to know when it was made. So we did put that in there, and now it says for step 2, brew it on 8 ounces. So we're going to go ahead and start the brew process for you. Okay, so we did start the brewing process in the trusty old Bear's mug. Will be better next year, but back to the video. As you can see, it's only 8 ounces. As I was looking into the K-cup, it's not much coffee in there, so I wouldn't recommend doing it on 10 ounces so you won't dilute the coffee. But they recommend no more than 8, so I went ahead and brewed it for 8. But while it's brewing here, guys, see these other K-cups in the background? Please look out for those videos coming in the future for 2022. The Macchiato Classic French Toast, and hit that subscribe button. Okay, so it's almost brewing to completion. And now it is finished, and you can definitely smell it. That's one good thing about it. You can definitely smell it and tell how good coffee it is, because you can smell all the ingredients. So let's go ahead and see how it looks once it's completed. Okay guys, so it's completed here. As you can see, it definitely has the caramel macchiato look. The froth and everything is still blending with the coffee. As you can see, it's definitely floating to the top. It definitely smells good. If you want, you can give it a good extra stir, and it will bring it, make sure everything is stirred up on the bottom, because it is powder. You want to definitely make sure it's stirred up. But while we're waiting for that to cool off just a little bit, here's the box right here. It's the Gevalia caramel macchiato. It says step 1, milk, frothy milk, and then step 2, add the K-pot, and these are recyclable. And as you can see right here, here's the calorie information for you, so you guys can make sure this is for you. Get it closer for you. It's a couple QR codes, questions, what it contains, just to make sure this is okay for you. And if we look on the bottom here, here is the UPC. And just more information about the coffee, and show you how to recycle the K-cups and everything, guys. So definitely hit that subscribe button. Be on the lookout for more videos.